I can't feel my toes. My face is frozen solid.
Keep moving, Tom. Don't stop.
The wind is cutting my skin.
Pull your scarf up tighter.
It must be 0 degrees.
Maybe colder.
The wind is blowing so hard I can't open my eyes.
Just hold my hand tight. The hotel is right there.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
No, really. Look at the lights.
Where? I only see white.
Through the fog, yellow lights.
Finally, I'm turning into ice.
Run, a warm fire waits.
The heat, thank God.
We finally made it inside.
It feels like a different world here.
Yes, outside is the North Pole and inside is warm summer.
Look at that giant stone fireplace.
The fire is roaring. I can finally feel my face again.
I never want to leave this building.
We don't have to. We are staying.
I need hot water right now.
Let's check in at the desk first.
Then straight to the hot spring pool. This is absolute heaven.
The steam feels amazing on my skin.
My frozen toes are finally waking up.
The water temperature is just perfect.
My muscles are melting like butter.
I feel the stress leaving my body.
I could stay in this water forever.
Me too. It is pure relaxation.
Hey, look out the window.
The angry wind has finally stopped.
It is starting to snow heavily.
Look at the size of those flakes.
They are like huge white feathers.
It looks like a magical fairy tale.
We are inside a giant snow globe.
The pine trees are all white now.
It is a stunning view from here.
Everything is so quiet and peaceful.
I am very glad we are inside, watching the cold from the heat.
It feels so safe in here.
Yes, protected from the storm.
The snow is burying the road.
Good. I don't want to drive. Let's just live in this pool.
You really love this place.
It is my new favorite spot.
Better than watching TV at home.
Much better. This is living.
I am so happy we came. Let's go out for a bit.
Are you crazy? We just got warm.
But look at that beautiful snow.
We can go play tomorrow morning. The snow will still be there.
No. Fresh snow at night is special. If you really don't want to, I will go alone. I will be back in a few minutes.
You absolutely cannot go alone.
Why not? It is just the garden.
Because everything is white out there, you have 0 sense of direction. You will get lost in 5 seconds.
So you are worried about me?
Yes, I'm coming with you. Someone needs to guide you back.
You are the best husband ever. I'm so happy you are coming.
Fine. Put on your heavy coat, but only for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is plenty of time.
Time enough to turn into an icicle.
Stop complaining. Where are my boots?
Right there. Put on 2 pairs of socks.
You act like we are climbing Everest.
It feels like Everest out there.
Look at this coat. I am a marshmallow.
A very cute, fluffy marshmallow.
Do you have the room key?
Yes, if we lose it, we freeze.
You are so dramatic. Let's move.
Okay, into the freezer we go.
Follow me. I know the way.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I have excellent direction sense.
Okay, I'm following you.
See? The garden is right here.
Sarah, this is the back door. We just walked in a circle.
Oops, everything looks the same wiped out.
Forget it. Look at the snow. I want to build a snowman.
I touched it. It's freezing.
Just a tiny one. Watch me.
Done. Look how cute he is. I am so happy right now.
You are smiling like a kid, as long as you're happy. But now we must go in.
Okay, the hotel is that way.
Sarah, that is the dark forest.
Oh, I'm lost again.
You are hopeless. This way. Just turn around this corner.
You are my personal GPS.
Just hold my arm tight.
Let's get back to the heat.
But this GPS service is not free.
Oh, really? What is the price?
Hot cocoa with extra marshmallows.
Deal. Wait, can we bring the snowman?
Absolutely not. He stays here.
But he will be lonely outside.
He is made of snow, Sarah. He will melt inside.
Fine. Goodbye, little Frosty.
Now run. My ears are numb.
I am waddling like a penguin.
A very fast penguin. Go.
Race you to the door.
We survived the expedition. I am shaking from the cold.
Go jump in the water.
Ah, this heat is magic. My frozen bones are thawing.
Here, I poured this for you.
Is that hot cocoa?
Yes, careful, it is hot.
You are an angel, Sarah. This tastes like pure happiness.
I admit you were right.
About what?
Inside is much better.
Exactly. Fire is better than ice.
But look at the window now.
It is a fairy tale world.
It is beautiful from here.
Yes, beautiful to look at.
But we stay in the water.
Forever. Cheers to the snow.
I'm actually glad we went.
Even though we almost froze.
Because the warmth feels stronger now.
That is a very good point. But no more adventures tonight.
Agreed. Just us and the steam.
This is the perfect winter night.
Yes, the best one ever.
Oh no, my mistake.
You filled the jars.
Yes, last night.
So you switched them?
Maybe I did. Sorry.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Can we fix it?
Sure. Trust my cooking skills.
What should we do?
Add more water and more vegetables.
Really?
Yes. But the pot is big. Looks like we'll drink soup all day.
I love your soup anyway.
Thank you.
Smells better already.
See? Easy fix.
You're the kitchen boss.
Taste it again now.
Much better now.
Great. The soup is saved. I can't find my earrings.
Both of them missing?
Yes, both are gone.
I also lost something.
What did you lose?
One of my headphones.
Our home is too messy.
Yeah, really messy.
We need a big cleanup.
Let's divide tasks.
I'll clean the bedroom.
I'll take the living room.
Shout if you find something.
I'll tell you.
Hey, I found one earring.
Where was it?
Under my makeup drawer.
Great. One more left.
Check under the sofa.
Wait, I found something.
Is it my earring?
Yes, but it's sticky.
Sticky.
What happened?
It's stuck to gum.
Ew, that's gross.
But still wearable.
Okay, I'll clean it.
Look, I found money too.
Under the sofa?
Yeah, a few dollars.
This feels like treasure.
Yeah, a fun cleanup.
Let's clean more areas, maybe more surprises.
Look, I found your earbud.
This is a good day.
Yeah, great teamwork.
Hey, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Someone left something outside.
Really?
Maybe a delivery or gift.
Should we check it?
Yes, let's go see.
What's this?
Looks like a package.
It's so beautifully wrapped.
Yes, with a red ribbon.
Who could send this?
Not sure.
Let's open it slowly.
Okay, careful, please.
Wow, what's inside?
There are fresh vegetables.
And some meat, too.
Oh, I love this.
Who would send this?
Maybe a friend or neighbor.
Me? I don't know.
Looks like cooking ingredients.
Yes, fresh and ready.
Wait, I think I know.
Really? Who then?
Did you plan a surprise?
Maybe I did.
You want to cook dinner?
Yes, for your birthday.
Oh my, that's sweet.
I know your favorite meal.
I love this surprise.
What do we need today?
Just some daily stuff.
Like soap and shampoo?
Yeah, those things.
Let's start here.
Where is the soap aisle?
I think it's over there.
Great, let's check it.
Do you want liquid soap?
Liquid is easier.
This brand looks good.
Price seems okay.
Should we get two?
One is fine.
Next, where's shampoo?
Maybe that shelf.
Do you prefer this one?
Let me smell it.
Smells fresh and clean.
Okay, take this.
We also need sponges.
Kitchen sponges, right?
Yes, the yellow ones.
Here, I found them.
This pack has 5.
That's enough now.
Do we need trash bags?
Yeah, almost out.
Big size or medium?
Medium is better.
Compare these two bags,
This one feels stronger.
and the price is lower.
Let's take that one.
Anything else we need?
I think we're done.
Let's check out. Let's make dinner now.
What should we cook?
Pasta and salad.
I'll cook pasta.
We need some chicken.
I'll cut it.
Let's add some veggies.
Carrots or broccoli?
Broccoli is easier today.
Okay, got it.
And let's make salad.
Simple green salad.
Yes, just greens only.
I'll wash them.
How was your work?
A bit busy.
Still okay now?
Yeah, pretty smooth.
I'm glad to hear. How about you? My work felt good.
That's great.
The pasta's ready.
I'll drain it.
Chicken looks perfect now.
Let's plate it.
Salad is also done.
Great. Easy meal.
Want some dressing?
Just a little.
Dinner looks really good.
Yeah, nice mix. Let's eat together now.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I bought this milk yesterday, but there's a problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I just noticed that the milk is expired.
Oh, let me take a look.
Sure.
Yes, you're right. The expiration date was last week.
Yes, I didn't notice it when I bought it.
I'm very sorry about that.
That's okay. I just want to know what I can do.
Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Is the milk unopened?
Yes, I haven't opened it.
That's good.
Can I return it?
Yes, of course. You can get a refund or exchange it for a new one.
I'd like a new one, please.
No problem. Let me get a fresh one for you.
Thank you.
Here you go. Please check the date.
Yes, this one is still good.
Again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries, it happens.
Everything is done.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. Is everything okay?
I'm sorry, but I think there's a small problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered the chicken pasta, but this one has beef.
I see. Let me take a look.
I might be wrong, but it tastes different from what I expected.
You're right. This is the beef pasta.
That's what I thought.
I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Would you like me to change it for you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Of course.
Will it take long?
It should be ready in about 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
Would you like to keep this one or should I take it back?
You can take it back.
No problem.
Thank you for handling this so nicely.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it.
We'll bring the correct dish as soon as it's ready.
Sounds good. Again, I'm sorry for the mistake.
No worries. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal once it arrives.